I'm Jared Campbell. I'm the STEM Outreach Coordinator for Florida Tech. I work at the Center for Advanced Manufacturing and Innovative Design, where we help all kinds of people become better at what they do. So I'm the guy in the room with my head on fire, running around getting students excited about what it is that I'm talking about, because I find if I motivate them where they're like, oh my goodness, I have to have more of that information. Oh my goodness, this is the best thing ever. If I can get that out of the students, then they will do everything that I ask them to do. They'll do all their assignments, they'll show up to class. So I don't believe that teachers exist. I believe motivators exist, and that's what an educator is. What I love about working at Florida Tech is I get to help make the next crop of students do the right thing for the world. I like it when people are knowledgeable, have the skills, and the kind of gumption to go and make the world a better place. We have so many students that are working on sustainability projects. For instance, I met a student just last semester that had developed a method for capturing the carbon off of a Navy ship by freezing it. And it's amazing, just amazing. The fact that people are able to make the world a better place after coming to Florida Tech, that's what makes me happy to work here. Students can get involved at CAMID, the Center for Advanced Manufacturing and Innovative Design, by signing up for workshops that we offer that you can find on Engage, by coming to visit us. We are on Palm Bay Road across from L3 Harris, so we're off campus. They can come and visit us. People can get hired as federal work study students and college roles. They can sign up for workshops and just come and visit to find out what it is that we do there. Probably the most exciting thing that I get to do is I get to help inspire new graduate student teachers, the TAs. We do this teacher assistant training each semester. This year they asked me to do more of a motivational speech about teaching, and it felt so great to be in that room because all of these minds were looking at me and I'm talking about stuff that's near and dear to the heart, and you're watching all of their eyes light up like this. To me, when I see the students' eyes get wide like this and get excited about teaching, it just makes my heart sing. I think that's what we're here to do. I think that we're all learners, and it's just a super exciting thing for me to be a part of.